Hi, and welcome back in Learn Python 3 with Atif Masih series.
This is a third part of conditional statement. In second part, we have learned about if, elif and else. In this video, we start from elif and we will discuss one more example and then we will continue nested if. We have an example of vowel letter. In this example, we will take a letter from the user. And if user enter I, A, E, O, U, then return you enter vowel. But if the user enter other than vowel, then print consonant. We have a variable vowel, and with input method we will take a letter from the user, and this is a message for user. Enter a small letter. And see here, in first if, we will check if vowel equal to I, then return or print you enter vowel. And see here, with elif, we will check next condition. If vowel equal to A, then also print you enter vowel. And then again with elif, we check next condition. If vowel equal to E, then print you enter vowel. And then again with elif, we will check if user entered 0, then print you entered vowel. And then again with elif condition, we check if vowel equal to U, then print you entered vowel. And see here, one thing is very important. To check the equality, we will use double equal sign. And see here, at the last we will use L. In L part, print you enter consonant. If user enter any other letter, then print you enter consonant. See here, I entered E. Then see here, it print you enter vowel. Let me run again. Now I entered W. See here, it return you enter consonant. Now we will move towards nested if else. Nested if else means if statement inside another if statement, and also we can use else inside the other else statement. That's why I written here nested if else. And see here, we have a syntax. See here, at the start I use if, then condition, and after that colon. And see here, within if, we can use statement or if again. And see here, else. We can use if and else inside the if. That's why we call it nested if. And see here, this else is a second part of first if. Now we will learn with example. We have a variable num, and with the help of input method we will take a number. And see here, this float means we converted the input into floating point. And see here, if the number is greater than equal to 0, this is a if condition. And see here, we applied if-else statement inside the if to check that if number is equal to 0, then print 0. Else, this is a positive number because it is greater than 0. And see here, in else, this else is a part of first if and print negative, because if the number is less than 0, it means it is a negative number. See here, if I entered 0, it prints 0. Let me run again. Now I entered positive number. See here, it returns positive number. And once more, now I entered negative number. See here, it returns negative. But if I use floating point value, then also it print positive. But here we can convert it integer or float. It doesn't matter. Now we will discuss very interesting example, number guessing game. We can create a game with the help of if-else statement. This is a very simple example of if-else. See here, we have a number, we call it correct number. And see here, we have a number that user will guess, and we take this number from the user with the help of input method, and the number must be between 30 to 50. And see here, with int method we can convert user's input into integer. And see here, with if we check if guess number is equal to 40, then print congratulations, you win the game. But see here, in else part I applied if and else again. If guess number is greater than correct number, then print you are above from the right number, and in else part you are less than right number. See here, you are above from the right number because the right number is 40. And let me run again. Congratulations. Now we can modify with the help of multiple if statement, and you can also modify it with the help of multiple if statements. See here, I little bit modify this code. Same as above, I have a number correct number equal to 40, and we have a guess number, and in guess number we take input from it. If the guess number is equal to 40, then print combination. And see here, if guess number is greater than correct number, if guess number is greater than correct number, then we have used some if and elif statement inside the elif. If guess number is less than equal to 45, then print you are 1 to 5 numbers above the right guess. And again check the condition. If guess number is less than equal to 50, then print you are 1 to 10 numbers above the right guess. And see here, second elif. If guess number is less than correct, and then again I use some if elif statements. Here, if guess number is greater than equal to 35, then print you are 1 to 5 numbers less than right number. And see here, again I check the condition. If guess number is greater than equal to 30, then print you are 1 to 10 number less than right. See here, I use 4. Congratulations, you did the thing. Let me check again. See here, you are 1 to 5 numbers less than right number. Let me check again. You are 1 to 5 numbers above the right guess. In this video, we have learned about if-else, elif and nested if conditions. And in upcoming video, we will learn about switch statements in Python, which is a fourth part of conditional statement. If you want to learn more about Python, then please subscribe my channel and like and share my videos with your friends. And don't forget to click on bell icon so that you can get notified when I add a new video.
Stay
Thank you
tuned.
so
We'll
much
be
for
right
watching
back.
my